what if you already have an end mill that you absolutely love using? It's got the perfect corner radius. It's got the right length of cut. You're holding on to the perfect amount. Everything's running like as good as it can get, but you've got these really long needles and you just want to break them up to improve your chip evacuation. There's been a lot of talk as different manufacturers introduce chip breakers to their tooling lines. If you work with GARR TOOL, that's a really simple solution. GARR TOOL on their entire library offer the ability to add chip breakers with a 1 to 2 day mod lead time. Now you can always get them recoated, but the recoating does add time to the delivery. And honestly, everything that I've experienced so far, the recoating doesn't actually really improve the life. Where the chips are breaking, the coating is totally unnecessary because the way that they make the chip breakers, that never really touches the material anyway. So if you have your favorite end mill from GARR and you just want to add chip breakers to it, then you can always let them know, hey, I want your 3/8 with the 1 inch length of flute, 3 inch overall, but can you please add some chip breakers? Obviously that EDP number makes it way simpler. You don't have to worry about, trying out a new end mill, proving everything else out. You just gotta grab the end mill you love, throw some chip splitters in it, and away you go. You've got manageable chips, predictable performance. My mission is to keep your spindles turning and earning.